Love it. This is my fireplace. I am excited. Can you tell from my voice that I'm excited? And this is when you come in the door. I have a big patio out there. This is the extra closet. Yeah.
Change it. Come. Change it from here. This one. Yeah.
You have kids too?
Touch it.
Nice.
No, it's just this.
But yeah, this is my new space that I'll be cooking in with you guys. This is my kitchen and I have a gas stove. And it's all white. And yeah, that, you see how that closes? Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't wait to decorate this place. Look at cabinet space. OMG. OMG. Yeah. Hood range, microwave. Oh. Yeah. Excitement. Excitement. I have so much room. Oh, I have so much room. I can't wait to move in to the new space. This is my pantry. This is my pantry. This is my foyer or whatever they call it. I'm not sure if that's what they call it. I have a garage outside. And I also have a half a bathroom here. Oh my God. Joy. My fridge. Love it. This is going up the stairs. Yeah. Laundry room here. Laundry room, washer and dryer. It's Samsung. You know I'm a Samsung girl. Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing. What do you think?
Oh, light is bright and
Wow,
nice.
it's a big vacuum.
Yeah. And this is the master bedroom. My mom here. Yeah. You like it?
Wow, it's potty.
Yeah, you go potty?
Yeah. How are you potty?
Come.
Now, what we can.
I love that the flooring is wood. Careful. Yeah. Yeah, careful. He's okay. He knows what up here look like, so he's not interested. Yeah. So this is the master bedroom.
Wow, it's very cool. What is this side?
Yeah. And this is the closet, big closet. And I love the pot light.
Whoa.
The light is not coming on, it's okay. Come. And this is his name is Kyron.
Higher?
Kyron.
Oh, okay.
Go, 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 go.
Mama,
You want to go hide again?
yeah. Me.
But this one is safe. Hey, watch your finger. Let's go, let's go. But this room is big.
Huge. Oh,
This room is so big.
it's so big. Yeah. What is this?
Washer.
Yeah, washer. Whoa, what is this?
Yeah.
What is this?
That's your bedroom?
Whoa.
Amazing.
Wow, amazing.
That's your bedroom, Kai Kai?
What did you get, Mom?
This is good size. 2 bedrooms.
What is this?
Kai Kai.
Okay.
Silly kainin. That's scary.
Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't want to.
I'm in my new place. I have my keys. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's do this. I am so excited. I don't have Kai Kai with me tonight. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend because I'm so excited. Subscribe. It helps the channel. It helps the channel, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you. Peace.